What's up, everybody? StevoFS here. How are y'all doing today? I am doing fantastic. As always, thank you very much for asking. We're going to go ahead and turn right up here and make a little detour. I kind of like this road. I like how the trees overhang. Show you guys. I wish it was both sides, but it's only one side here. In the morning, it looks pretty fucking... What the fuck am I doing? In the morning, it looks pretty sweet. It's really dark, but I like this road. It's pretty cool. My mom's driveway has it on both sides, so it's really awesome. But it's a dirt road, so I don't go on it much. But anyways, first off, I just want to say to Big Bad Wolf Moto, congratulations. He hit 1K subscribers. Keep up the good work, man. You'll go far. Everybody go check his channel out. I'll leave descriptions in the down below so you guys can see. He rides up there in the old Canadian place, you know, up the north where it's cold. Best of luck for that. But anyways, congratulations, man. Keep up the good work. But nobody's around. I'm gonna turn up here somewhere. I just don't know where at. But we're gonna go faster. Question, if y'all had some really fucked up dreams, I want y'all to go down in the comments and let me know your most fucked up dreams that y'all have had. Last night I was late. I mean, it wasn't really fucked up, but it was I don't know, it was weird to me. But I was sleeping last night, and me, personally, it's like once in a blue moon that I have a dream. I don't ever have dreams, but I was laid in bed sleeping, and I was dreaming. I don't know exactly where I was at, but I know we were stateside, and we were at some place having like some kind of little party. And this is the weird part. Kim Jong-un, the North Korean dictator, he came with, I think, his wife, and then like one of his generals, you know, short little guy with some glasses, and a brown suit, dress clothes, whatever. But yeah, they were at a party with us, and we were hanging out, eating and shit, just bullshitting. Spoke good English into my dream, but it was just crazy. I don't know, it's just crazy. And usually when I do have dreams, it's about fucking aliens, or I guess dictators now. When I was a wee little lad, just a young little whippersnapper, I used to have dreams about Chucky. Because I don't watch scary movies and shit. Chucky's about the only, which is not really scary, but I don't watch them. I've watched Chucky a few times when I was younger, and I was always had this dream about Chucky. We were in like this giant garage, and he would chase me around a big monster truck. I don't know. I know it's fucking crazy. I'm a weirdo. Dreaming about Chucky chasing me around monster trucks. The Kim Jong-un fucking having partying with me, eating, and aliens. You know, I have a fucked up head, I guess. I don't know, but I'm just curious. Drop down in the comments. What's the most weird, crazy dream that y'all have ever had? Do you not dream? Let me know down in the comments. But all right, that's just my little crazy little motovlog. Guess that's my turn. Yeah, we're gonna turn here. This is Central Florida Community College. They just built this building not too long ago. The light blue buildings over there is where I went to learn how to weld. But they built this after I left here. I think their main campus is in Ocala, I think. A person died and left them the building. The darker one is where I did my welding courses. Whee! Pretty nice little building. Pretty nice building. St. John Education Center. Guess that was his name. So y'all kids go to school! Get that education. I kind of want to go back to school, but I don't think they have the courses I want to take. Maybe one day I'll go back to school. I mean, the University of Florida is like 45 minutes away, but they're not gonna let my sorry ass in there. I'm not smart enough. I kind of want to go to that Full Sail college in I think Orlando. Maybe one day I will. I don't know. Well, that's where I did my my welding. Got my welding certifications. Learned how to be a big boy and weld. Oh yeah. Well, we're back at Chiefland. I don't come over here much anymore, so I don't literally live here anymore. But I do work over here. So if you guys ever want to see me, it's in the mornings. Between 7 and 8, you'll see me rolling through here, or after 5, between 5 and 6. Other than that, you won't see me over here unless I'm looking for my my buddy to go ride with. There's a new Burger King they just built. They're getting all fancy and shit around here. Had to build a new McDonald's or Burger King. Haven't been in there yet, but I will check it out one day. We'll go on an adventure there. All right, guys. Well, that was my fantastic motovlog for today. As always, not that interesting, but mainly I just wanted to congratulate Big Bad Wolf Moto on his 1K subscribers. You know, way to go, man. It takes a while, but you got it. So best of luck on to, I don't know what your next goal is, but good luck to that. Take it easy, man. I'm always watching. But alright, guys, if you like this video, go and hit that like button. If you had that end, do it anyways. Thank you, buddy, because they're fantastic, goddammit. Yes, they are. Ask anybody. And if you guys are new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the little bell, so you guys will be notified when my fantastic videos are up. And if you guys have been here forever, I love each and every one of you. Hey, way to go, buddy. I love each and every one of you mofos. You guys are great. Thank you. I appreciate it. And as always, peace, love, and unicorns. Stevo out. Gotta get some gas! Some gas! And some cancer sticks. Kids don't smoke. Later, guys.